Hello YouTube friends, this is another Hello Friendly Fox YouTube video. Thanks for stopping by. I have another Artsnacks unboxing, but first I'd like to thank you guys, all of you over 100 that have subscribed. I really appreciate it. That was my first goal, was to make 100 subscribers, and here we are. That's super exciting for me. But you know what? I'm not done. I want to make it to 1,000 next. So if you're watching this, I know there's a bunch of you that are watching that haven't subscribed. And I don't know why not, because I'm just making quality content over here. Okay, maybe it was all those shorts that I uploaded last month. Who was here for those October videos? I try to do one every single day. I missed the first 3 days, and then I did the rest of the month, so it was pretty good. I enjoyed it. And we have the menu. This is the November 2021 Artsnacks. So I'm going through here. Looks like we got some liquid. Radiant Concentrated Watercolor Blue. Ooh, I can do that. And Airheads. If you didn't get a lot of this on Halloween, we got some more. And we have our typical green packaging. Wow, okay, so we have some gelato. Pastels. There's a sticker. Gelato pastels. A funky Derwent water brush. Push. Tells you to push. And this is what I got, looks like. So, well, this is pretty good. So the first one is called the Derwent Push Button Water Brush, 3mm medium tip. Paint anywhere, anytime with a Derwent push button water brush. Comfortable and convenient. This brush features a handy button that provides easy control of water flow. Its rounded medium tip is great for building textures and layers. The durable nylon bristles hold their shape well, maintaining performance over time. Next we have two Faber-Castell gelatos. You're in for a real treat with Faber-Castell gelatos. These compact, vibrant pigment sticks are creamy, smooth, and light fast. They have great coverage, easy gliding on the paper, canvas, or wood. Blend the colors with or without water and watch them melt your artwork. Packaging is a little bit different on both of these. See, the logos are different. And last, Dr. P.H. Martin's Radiant Concentrated Watercolor. It's a staff favorite. Dr. F. Martin's Radiant Concentrated Watercolor is seriously brilliant. Produced in extremely concentrated form, this transparent dye-based watercolor can be used directly from the bottle or diluted with water. It works best for illustration or cartooning on paper surfaces. Well, what color does a book prefer to be? Red. Pretty nice blue. We'll have to see how it works on some paper. Alright, so I'm going to do a little bit of testing here. I have some Fabriano mixed media paper, and we're just going to draw something quick. My little fox guy I've been drawing in the Inktober series. If you haven't checked it out, go check out some of those shorts. They're just really quick. It's kind of fun to do some of those prompts. Ooh, it's like a purplish color. This brush, it has a nice membrane in the middle for the push button, which is a lot more effective, I feel, than some of these other ones that I have gotten recently. Let's see. These two, for example, the Tombow. So the whole barrel pushes, and as you can see, I've stepped on it, so it's kind of become deformed. And then this one, a similar style, the whole barrel pushes. So for this one, it's a little more sturdier, I think. And then the push button is flexible. Not sure if that's supposed to stay on there or not. I don't know why these are on there, those tabs. It's a pretty nice brush, actually. I like how it fits in your hand. I thought it was kind of weird by the size of it, but it definitely is contoured for better grip and comfort. Just have to barely push the button, because if you push too hard, too much water will come out. And then these gelatos. Let's see what we got. Okay, so we have like a medium iridescent purple. Amethyst is the color. And then more of a vibrant green, which is lime on this one. Of course, if you mix them, they look kind of muddy. Not a fan of that. But I do like the two colors. There was a coupon code in the box as I was unboxing it. So if any of you are interested in a $5 off the subscription plan, here's the coupon code. I don't know if this is single use. I don't have any friends to send this to. You know, everybody I know, they're not artists or anything. So, you know, I'm sharing this with you guys if you're interested. $5 off. And off camera, I had drawn this picture. You know, I thought maybe there might be something watercolor related in this box, so I already had this drawn beforehand, and I just drew a fish getting caught by my fox guy, the blue watercolor. Blue does dry really fast. I see that's happening. And I mean, this paper is, it's the no bleed through paper from Crescent, so it's not exactly very much a watercolor paper, but this it's not what it's called, ink. It's just drying really fast. It's concentrated. I'm going to add water to it. Thin it out a little bit. All right, well, this has been the Artsnacks November 2021 unboxing. I really like the products that came in the box this month. I have used gelatos before. They're nice, creamy, smooth pastel, and these in the box were, they had like an iridescence to them. The purple, pink, a little more than the green, but it's, you know, it worked out pretty good for my drawing, I think. And this watercolor, concentrated watercolor, was nice and fluid. It dried pretty quick with the Derwent push button water brush. You know, I really like this. It fits well in your hand, and you know, the whole barrel isn't the push. It's just a little button on either side that you press to activate the water. The brush itself was a little bit too flimsy, I guess, to do any line work with this watercolor ink. But I think it worked out pretty good. I wish there were probably maybe a black, just so I can do some outlining, but I think it worked out pretty good in the end by me layering up the colors and working together. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. I want to let you know that this sponsor for today's video is HelloFriendlyFox.com. If you are interested in any t-shirts or anything of that matter, I'll put a coupon code, gelato, get 25% off. And, you know, this is all original artwork of mine. If you see something there that you might want it as a sticker and you see it on a t-shirt, just let me know and I can have it done as a sticker or some other type of medium. Thanks for watching and have a great day.